Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 14.1 question number 3. In the following figures, the mirror line, that is the line of symmetry, is given as a dotted line. Complete each figure performing reflection in the dotted mirror line. You might perhaps place a mirror along the dotted line and look into the mirror for the image. Are you able to recall the name of the figure you complete? Let us complete the figures first. Here you see, if we take first, let us take a ruler. And with the help of this ruler, we'll complete the figures, right? Then, first of all, draw this line. Right? After that, you can draw this line also. That is same length, right? Now, if you draw the vertical line, then you'll get a square. Now, if you draw the vertical line, here you saw you have to draw the vertical line. This is a complete figure, and we recall that the name of this figure is a square, right? This is a square figure, right? This is square. We're writing here that question number A is square. It is square. Now in B you'll find that if you draw this line, if you complete this one, then you will get, here you see, with the help of this scale, we will complete the figure. If we draw this line, right? Now if you complete this one, if we draw another line, here you see we got an equilateral triangle, right? This is an equilateral triangle. Number 2 is triangle or equilateral triangle. Number B is we got the shape of triangle. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. Now draw the figure C. In figure C, we'll draw the figure C. Let us draw this figure C. First of all, we take a point here from this distance. We take a point here. Right? And if we draw this line, we're drawing this line from here to here. And also draw this line also. And that is also, it is known as a square. This is, all the sides are same, and this is a rhombus. C is rhombus. Now this one, if you draw this one, If we draw this one, we'll get, let us take right here we are getting a circle, right? That is, we are getting a circle in case of D. Here you see this is a circle. You'll find E. With the help of this scale you can find E also, right? Let us find E. Here you see, first of all you have to draw a line with same length here, that is 6.5, 6.6, right? Take another point here, take this point, then we take one point and join this point, right? We have taken one point and join the points. Join this point. Right. Join this point. Right. Again, you have to join this point also. Take this line and join this line again. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Therefore, this is a pentagon. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, it is a pentagon. It is a pentagon. This is pentagon. And draw this figure. Let us complete this figure. If you want to complete this figure with the help of scale, you find complete in this way. That is, first of all, you draw the horizontal line. First of all, draw this horizontal line, right? Next, draw this horizontal line, right? Now take another point here at this point, and here you take another point, right? Now join this point, and join this point, join this point first. First take the vertical line. Let us take the vertical line first. Draw this line first, and then draw this one on this side. Draw this line, right? Then you have to draw this line also. Like this, you can draw another line here. Right? You are getting how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 lines. There you see there are 8 lines. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That means this is a figure of pentagon. This is hexagon. This is a figure of hexagon. There are 6 sides are there. Right? This is F is hexagon. This is a hexagon. We can make the circles once again. Here we are finding this is a circle. Let us make the circle once again. Let us take this circle. Let me point this circle here. I have increased the size. That is, we are getting here the circle, right? In this way, you can find the various figures, right? You see, we got the figures, various figures here. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.